So the BET Software Graduate Program is a 12-month-long program. So I like to tell my grads it's a 12-month-long interview process. We start with a BET induction, then we move over to our Hollywood product induction, and then from there our SDLC overview, where all our different departments come through and give them a breakdown of what's happening. From there, they will join their departments from the 24th of March until the end of their program at January 2026.
My expectation for the program is all about growth, gaining knowledge, getting to know people, connecting, learning a lot from my mentor, just continuously learning and upskilling myself.
I'm excited about getting way better as a developer, but also making good connections, and I'm hoping that my team and my year could also improve the company.
It feels amazing to officially start my journey. I'm nervous, but I'm just overall happy to be here.
BET Software has offered us quite a bit in our time when we were grads, such as the Power Skills course, BizAd, and also a lot of learning and development software platforms such as LinkedIn Learning, Udemy, and so on. So definitely make use of those platforms. My advice to the grads are to maintain a positive mindset at all times. Don't put too much pressure on yourself and keep learning.